happen is
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we are here in the city of FCT. We have a road to Supreme Court. The reason why we are here in solidarity of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, unconditional release of the great leader of Igbo Land, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Today is the day. In a lot of restriction. A lot of restriction. You can't even pass there with your phone. You can't even cross there. A lot of restrictions, and a lot of people are there other places. So, but we are here. Also. Even lawyers self, many lawyers they were restricted, you know. But I did a crowd. I get to a crowd, but what that place? I get break in that place because nowhere won't commit any crime here. As you can see here, Igbo take the camera around. Igbo, Ndesi Farad near Mandesi Port Harcourt, Mandesi Enugu, Mandesi Eboy, Mandesi Anambra, but Lagos. Someone like me, I came from Lagos to go from Port Harcourt. A lot of people, Mandesi Bayelsa. You know, we cannot just come all the way from Ebasiwebia to Abuja to come and smile. No. Today, we are expecting Kahanye the final judgment and release our leader for us. As you can see, Ndi Igbo is not safe. We need peace and unity in Ndi Igbo. And anybody who is fighting carrying with peace in Ndi Igbo, not have enemy of progress. Yes. Because all the investors are watching us on the southeast. And this is why we are here is to plead. Can we release the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Peace, everlasting peace. A lot of hijackers are go. Before they claim that happened the freedom fighter, where they are criminals, where they are hijackers. You know, a lot of things are going on in the southeast. And that is the reason why we are gathered here. And a lot of people can know what. You know, but when I got also
all right, everyone. My name is Governor Ezioku. For me to come out like this shows an honor of solidarity to our brother. And for me, I am not appealing to anybody to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I am saying that he should be released according to the law, unconditional. Yes. Because whereby you are not found guilty. I went and checked. Na social media, I couldn't find one picture. Then I also looked around to see or bank or any government official by himself. It didn't work. Secondly, I have gone around to check Mazi Nnamdi Kanu office. I didn't see anyone, which means he's innocent. And when they can in this country, but they are moving on convoy and they target to be immunity. Why people are suffering? The same way, yes, for me, yes, Ndi Igbo na fighting for, and what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for is not the same. Yes. Nnamdi Kanu is divine. Then another person may be doing business, okay, with freedom, but I don't see Nnamdi Kanu as such person. For me, businesses are living southeast. If he say it doesn't concern you, there's no problem. But with time, you will understand. Yes. Here, you go one bag of cement, 15,000 naira. Obu mo burial ka na eme na iya fu Ndi Igbo eju ma obo ebe dibia na ife ego or pastor Ndi Igbo eju na that church. Man, orugo na your brother who gave you a prophecy and said that he's only looking for 100 persons, and at the content of his statement he said that all of you will betray him. Yes. But he will not betray you. So each time that word rings in my ear, I said no, I will not keep quiet. That's why I came. And we'll be here. We'll do our best to make sure that we enter there.
If we get previous weather dry, a lot of Ndi Igbo they are here. Mandens and Mandozo, and can you imagine? Mandens and Mandozo at Shiazo. If the kind of humiliation and Ndi Igbo over there, and that is what we are saying, that no love is enough. I get released Ryan and the car. Yes.
And in addition, okay, there was a news we got this morning. I don't know if it's real, but if it is real about Ezife, the former governor of Anambra State. I want to tell you that something must happen for another thing to take place. For me, the sorry I can say to Ndi Igbo is the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It doesn't matter what we have lost. We've lost more than that. So thank you very much. And if it is true, may his gentle soul rest in perfect peace. That's all we can say. Thank you very much, and we'll keep bringing you more news. All right, this is Governor Ezioku, the people's governor, the Shanamites. This is the only way to Supreme Court. here in Abuja. We've been here. Very many of us went inside without our phones, you see. The way we do here is, if one or two persons struggle their way inside, they will drop their phone. All of us will drop our phones to one person. The person will hold the phone because they won't even allow you with your phone. Before you could go inside, it has to be a lot of restrictions. Me that even came out to bring you this information with my brother here. Going back again is another war. So we just want to tell you that we cannot make videos in there because of the nature of things. These are people's phones. So, and security reasons. So it is not really easy. It's not as easy as you think.
Omo here they very tight.
So,
no mosquito crosses. No nchi crosses. No balakuku crosses. Yes. Everywhere they tight.
Some of our people are still down there. So we are trying to see how far we can.
Even video they make it ourselves. Everywhere security blockage. Forget to tell your phone.
I'm going to allow.
Forget to tell your phone.
So I got struggle with key so phone okay. So you still talk to other people, you pass a message to them. Everybody don't all
I had to go. I had 70% chances.
70% chances. So let's be patient, we'll still get you more updates. In there, my brother.
Chances.
I can hear we try to get information, but just let's wait a bit.
The information will come after everything.
Yeah.
But that's the outside with phone. Then we can now deliver the news. Only people who have G camera there have NTA, AIT, Channel TV, and all this national television. So how are the big television house?
Yes.
So any individual, no phone, no power bank, no nothing, no gadget.
No matter whom you are.
But I have to go fly. But I have to go fly. I have to go here. But I have to here. But let God perfect His will. I'll be fine.
So we'll go back. If there is still an opportunity to allow one phone, we'll come make a video in there and bring back to you. Yes. Thank you. My name is Mr. Governor Ezioku.
National Assembly National Assembly here. If I then work as a so as long as they have that court, that's Supreme Court. Forget forget your phone.
All right, thank you. We have other buyer. They can go buy us submit the phone.
But I check my phone. I check. I wait. Open my gate to get the information. Our own gods.
Even this one, even this small one, they did not allow it. I went in there without my phone. Now just our mother can't Even
the Weber stars. Go and ask questions. The whole parents has been in the drop of phone. So I'm not here to know me. I'm here Supreme Court.
So we'll get back to you. We'll bring you more information back.